We're doing it on the Nexus. I'm back with sub duels. When it was I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to join the Yugioh Pro tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. You ready? I'm ready.
Dude! Yep, I'm ready.
Come on.
Better start off by playing this one right here.
What's going on here? Who is that?
That is a Tengashner of the Nordic Beast. Synchro Summon. Into Thor, Lord of Aesir. Activate Fire Formation Tinky by adding to my hand. Yep. I'm adding to my hand. Is it Tri-Brigade? Is it Fracture? Activate Tri-Brigade Fracture. By banishing four see here, monsters from my graveyard. Meaning from my deck, I get basically this special amount of Link monster. I think this is it. Nope. Thought it was that effect. Here. Don't know why the heck it misread my card. Oh well. Must be the wrong one. Oh well. Let's see here. I'll end my turn. I banished the wrong card. He's hit the graveyard wrong card.
You're new to this deck?
Yeah, still learning it. Trust me, this is actually a different version of Nordics, dude. This is Tri-Brigade Nordics.
Oh. Yeah, this is,
also,
what is it?
This is also what I like to call Thor Brigade.
Thor Brigade. This is,
Yep.
Numeron Neos. Draw on Planet Pathfinder. Effect, tribute, add a field spell, which is Numeron Network. Numeron Network, activate its effect. Numeron Calling. I'll do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Memories of Hope. Oh, come on. Come on!
Something's not working.
Battle. Number 4, attack Thor.
Alright.
Effect. Can be destroyed and it's going to double attack.
Alright.
I'll take double attack. Number 2, destroy Thor. You'll take double attack. 8k now, number 1. Finish him.
Damn.
Next round. No side. If I control no cards except Numeron walls, quick effect, you can send this card from your hand or field. Activate Numeron network directly from your hand or deck.
Mm-hmm.
Numeron wall. Numeron network. Numeron network. Numeron calling. I can do up to 4, but for this, I'll do 3. 1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
Three numbers, these monsters are the same rank. Legacy Shokan. Number S0, Utopic Zaxo.
Mm-hmm.
Dunendo. Draw phase. Once per opponent's draw phase, I could detach. You can't activate cards or effects till end of this turn. You link summon Golvig, the Nordic Ascendant. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Neos Fusion. Okay, how do you pronounce this card?
Glypnir's Fretters of Fenrir. Adding to my hand, let's see here, Tengashnir of the Nordic Beasts.
Alright, I'll do Rainbow Neos. I'm gonna go here, Neos, and Rainbow Dragon from the deck. Yugioh Shokan. Zexal to attack. Battle. Zexal. Destroy Golvig. What was that?
The effect of Tengashnir. When a monster that I control is destroyed by battle and sent to the graveyard, I can special summon this card from my hand.
Rainbow Neos. Destroy. How do you say that? Ten what?
Tengashnir.
Tengashnir. And oh, phase 2. Garo Seto. Durendo. Draw phase. Zexal. Detach.
Let's see here.
Tri-Brigade Naval. They're gonna attack with 0 attack. Alright. Memories of Hope. I'll draw 1. Okay. It's over right here. Battle.
Yep.
Rainbow Neos. Direct attack. Finish him!
Good game.
That's it? Alright.
Yep. Good game.
Yep. Linked in the description below for the deck list. And sub if you liked it, like if you subbed it. Thanks, Joe, for the duel.
Yep.
And see you guys.
Yep. See ya.